There will be no flags flown half-staff for our children because it doesn't fit the narrative. Like, why would a white man go to PWIs and speak about a 13% demographic of representation? Fetish. Unless in the name of Christ you were building an army of students who think like you, that minorities want to bail out, are lazy, and always race baiting to get handouts. That's crazy. And while I mourn the loss of a brother in the faith, one has to admit that for a man with no college degree, your privilege allowed you to build a platform that was supported by billionaires to speak a message of divisiveness. I mean, why go to a college campus and tell college kids that college is worthless, a waste of money, and they embrace your insults, left your session to go take an exam? Well, because you're white. But I don't want to make this about a small cog in the machine. See, the Charles Logans of this world will always find someone else within 24 hours to hold the banner of white supremacy, and they will use a black person to do it and call him a Supreme Court justice. Just like they took an IED to DEI, and we can see how white people benefit from it. I mean, from Fox News to the cabinet, from Fox News to the White House. You don't have to be qualified. You can simply be a felon, and they will vote for you. Because the people will always choose Barabbas over Yeshua. I mean, it's a white nationalist thing to do. Where's the conversation on white crime? While a sniper white was on a roof in Utah, another one was in a school in Colorado letting hammers fly. Where's the conversation of white on white crime? See, there's another who pulled up to a Catholic church and opened fire on babies who were praying, Dylan Roof style, because you act like you can't be white, trans, and racist at the same time. Where's the conversation on white crime? North Carolina, a dude did a boat buy on a harbor, opened up fire, killed people. While in Michigan, a white man drove his 2 American flag carrying truck into a church, opened up fire, started a fire, killing several because cowards hunt when rabbits have no guns. But you want to talk about the problems in the black community and our lack of unity like you've been the poster child for purpose, passion, and peace. There will be no flags flown half-staff for our children. Almost 19,000 in America shot this year, and I'm on Republican and Democratic feeds, and they share the propaganda of fear. Trump this, Democrats that. American politics is whack. They trying to turn Chicago red. Baby, it's too late. I've been here 54 years, and our concrete scream from those who've bled. From idiots pumping that lead, leaving our babies dead. We've been red. Our hearts are blue. And maybe there'd be more concern if we were white like you. Did you see the colors of which our flags are comprised? Daley tore down the projects, but I still see from the high rise the same people that made the word coon made the word cracker. It doesn't matter to billionaires, your gender, your color, who's whiter, who's blacker, as long as you are rich. But what do I know? This isn't my final destination. I'm just a pilgrim passing through, trying to be Christ-like through and through like you. I met a young man this morning who asked for money. His name was Isaiah. And I asked him, did he know that he had the name of a prophet? He said no, probably didn't care. He gave me a fist bump before I even asked his name. He was hungry. Asked for a few dollars to grab something to eat. I dealt with the need of a stomach growl. Maybe tomorrow he'll stop by and I can talk to his heart. He walked away down the alley, dogs barking at him. It reminded me of how I walked these streets as a kid, alone in a world that never knew my pain. The church that wouldn't feed me. The Arab store that kicked me out for stealing food. And the parents who abandoned me in a cold world. Yet my heart is warm because I still believe in hope.